Hi, my name is Jinwan and I am going to share my information of goat. The goat looks like a sheep. It has 4 legs and a small tail. It has 2 horns and small nose. You can find a goat in a grassland habitat. The goat is from everywhere, but not in Antarctica. The goat is very unique because it has 4 stomachs. The goat eats almost anything but not meat. The goat protects himself because he can climb fast. The goat is a herbivore. It eats almost anything but not meat. It is a prey to another meat-eating animals like a mountain lion. These are the research I use for my iMovie. I hope you enjoy the show.